I'm picking berries this morning. We have these strawberries, we have blueberries over there, and then raspberries too. Look at this. Strawberries. This berries now. These two. These are super clean berries because they are like homegrown. And then, oops, oh my, there are like three here that are hiding. This one is like super ripe. Let's look at the other side. Look at our strawberries so far. And then here on this side we have more. This is lavender. Very fragrant. And then underneath this lavender are like more strawberries. Like this. And this. Very fragrant. More hiding here. And our freshly picked strawberries. These are raspberries. Oops. The other one fell. This one is super ripe too. I'll just put it back here as a compost. And this. Oops. And then this. So now time to harvest some of these blueberries. They are ready too. And my berry harvest: strawberries, blueberries, and then raspberries. I am making a Thai-inspired dinner: beef with green beans and basil. Look at our petunias. Here's our basil. This is from last season, just starting to grow leaves, but it's time to snip them so they grow more leaves. It should be good. So this is the flower of an artichoke. So you can grow artichoke as like, or like for their like fruits. I'm not sure if they're called fruits. So this one we can cook. This one too, along with that one, and then the other one. Those are ready for cooking, but this one is past its prime. This one is about to bloom, along with that one and the other one. This one is gorgeous. Look at that. Bees love this. So you can either grow artichoke as a flower or as a fruit or both. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm making a Thai-inspired dinner with this boneless beef strips for stir fry. And then beans. I'm supposed to grill the beans, but I think there's a lot of beans to grill, so I'm not sure if I'm grilling this or I just like kind of like saute this on a wok with the beans, with the beef, and then this basil from the garden. I will stir fry the beef first. It has to be like a really hot wok. I have garlic here that I kind of like minced on a mini food prep. Like this half of it on the beef. This is perfect. It's still crunchy. And now I'm going to add the beef. Add the beef back. And then add the rest of the garlic. And then the basil that we picked from the garden. I kind of like throwing them and then toss. It has like a basil flavor. Dinner is ready. Sizzling beef, stir fried with green beans and basil in garlic. I warmed a Spanish bread here on the air fryer. These are store-bought Spanish bread. It's warm. So coffee is ready. Now I am moving this onto transporting this coffee and bread to the backyard garden on this tray. And the onion flowers are still looking good. And then we have more strawberries actually. More strawberries are ready. Look at those. Oh, there's a bee. But for now, let's eat our breakfast. I'm waiting for the husband. This is like, I think they call this like Spanish bread in Filipino, and it has like a filling like butter and sugar. And I think there's coconut too. I see coconut here. So a variation of Spanish bread, because most likely there's no coconut on a Spanish bread. So this is the inside. It has like butter, and then it has coconut and sugar. And so it's sweet inside, and this is the outside. That's a hummingbird on an apricot tree. This is a hummingbird. Hello. Thinking. I wonder where it's going. It's a like super tamed hummingbird now. Going to this place, Payachi. Oh, the one in front of us is also going to the same place. And there's very limited parking. This one, Payachi.
She got the park.
We're here at Payachi's Trattoria Taverna, and I'm going to have, as always, branzino. I can be a branzino critic now. This is the bruschetta burrata. A cheese board, Italian cold cuts and cheese board, and that is their like bar. That's the name of the restaurant, Payachi. I think it means clown, I'm not sure. Okay, that's for him.
Branzino?
For me. One second. Branzino. Mexico Jones, that's siya.
Thank you.
Huh? No, there's no cheese.
This is good.
Oh, you're also that is also buko. Looks good. I'm having. Thank you. I'm having Brazino. Joshua is having risotto. And his husband is the yum.
Mm-hmm.
That's very yummy.
Hi, what are you guys eating?
I'm having Brazino.
How about you, Judy?
I'm having seafood.
Seafood. And I'm having also buko.